Namaskar. Hello, I am Tasneem Saifi and you're watching my channel Tasneem's Vidyan Shastra. Welcome to Simple and Smart Learning. As you know, we have started with General Science Class 8 and we are going to discuss about the different topic in a small sessions. So today we are going to study about the lesson health and diseases as we have already started. Now, children, see that in this particular session we have completed many topics. Now, today we are going to talk about non infectious disease, page number 10. Now, non infectious disease, the word itself says that this disease caused by the pathogens and not by the, you can say, a simple touch or even you can say contagious type. All the diseases that are not caused by the pathogens, generally caused by the genetic or environmental factors also, or other than pathogens, this disease also caused by the lifestyle of the behavior, means how you are behaving, the way of your lifestyle, how you are getting up, what is your daily routine, what you are eating, your exercise habit, and your mental ability, whether stressful, whether happy or overexerted, all the things matter. And it also caused due to unhealthy diets, lack of physical activity, and the smoking or excessive use of alcohol. There are different you can say the reason behind the non infectious diseases. There are four common non infectious diseases and that we are going to see today. That is cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease means heart disease, cancer, chronic respiratory disease, and diabetes. In this way, the diseases are there which are non infectious but really dangerous, and today we are facing lots of problems. So, non infectious disease, in that we are going to see today about the cancer. Now, cancer, a really uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called cancer cell. Group of lump or cancerous cell is called the malignant tumor. In our body, you will see there are number of cells present, and from that cells any one part in that cell, you can say the sudden growth in or the multiples of the cell which causes to the lump, and after some time it gives the adverse effect. This is also one cause of cancer. So cancer can occur in any organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood, also like blood cancer or leukemia. So here there are various reasons behind it, that is the consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content, that is the fruits and leafy vegetables, or excessive consumption of junk food, or hereditary problem. So these may cause various problem, and these particular thing you always remember that controlled diet help to prevent some time of cancers. Physical exercise along with the modern treatment is more beneficial to cure the cancer, else it is very difficult to cure the cancer because its symptoms are really dangerous. Chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scar, and lots of things are there, lots of problems are there. So there are different techniques also used in the cancer. So let's have little bit detail about the cancer. So this cancer can affect of all ages, all status, all gender, anyone this may get affected. WHO, World Health Organization, says 30 to 50% of cancers are preventable by avoiding tobacco and alcohol. Nowadays, this is a lifestyle. The people are thinking by chewing the tobacco, mawa, gutka, or even by drinking the alcohol with the different names, that is the wine, vodka, and whiskey, beer. These all are alcohols only. The name is alcohol and really it is dangerous, but People thinking this is our lifestyle. If we are drinking, it state that it is our status, but status is not more than life. And what is life? Healthy life is a status. Alcoholic and smokers are not the static, you can say, giving status to your life. So keep in mind, always stay away from this. It includes the cancer of lungs, liver, stomach, breast, brain, blood. Most of the part it get affected. So cancer is an abnormal growth of cells. See, in our body such type of cells are present, and these cells, in that you will see the plain sheet, that is the reddish color part. Beside that you will see one lump is there, that is brownish color part is there. So that is the cells are growing out of control, and it grows in multiples, and this causes the cancer. So the abnormal growth of cells is the symptoms vary depending on type of cancer. Cancer begin with genetic defect also. It is no any virus, but cell is our body which get affected and divide many thousand times and form tumor. So this is how the tumor forms of our cells only. It can grow rapidly. Some type of cancer causes rapid cell growth and some are slow. So some results visible growth and some do not results visible growth. So if you will see, this type of, you can say, the cancerian cells are there, and such type of cancerian cells, they grow in our body in multiples. So there are various different types of therapies are there, different types of, you can say, treatments are there. With the help of these therapies and treatments, we can give a cell healthy life. So for that, if we will see in detail that what preventions we have to take. So see, in this way, in our body immediately there is a growth of cells, and when the cells are growing, such type of lumps are formed, and these lumps are nothing but the cancer tumors in any part of the body. So please do not use tobacco, smoking, alcohol. Protect your skin from sun rays and the radiations. Eat healthy diet, avoid junk food, and maintain healthy weight also, so that you will help yourself. A person may have more than one type of cancer at a time in a body. So these all different forms, how we can save it? So with the help of treatments. Just now I told you have to avoid all these dirty things from your lifestyle. So the chemotherapy, you will see the radiations therapy, these are some of the best techniques. The chemotherapy, the radiation, this kills cancer cell that target rapidly dividing cell. The drugs can also help to shrink the tumors, but side effects are very severe. Hormone therapy is there, which involves the medication that change how certain hormone work. Immunotherapy is there, treatment to boost the immune system, you can say. Or even you are having different types of CT scans or the system that encourage fight cancer cells, or radiation therapy, high dose radiation to kill the cancer cell. You are able to see, this is the machineries how the radiations are passed to the part where the cancerian cells are there, and this radiation kills the cells. Or even stem cells transplant can beneficial for people. Surgery is often a part of treatment, may remove lymph nodes or part of the body. So in this way, or even you can see the CT scan. See, in this way, the CT scan series of X-ray images provide more detailed information. So they can show soft tissue, blood vessels and bones in various parts of the body. Or even you can see there are one more method, that is the mammography, especially for the women's, for the breast cancer, is the process to using low energy X-ray to examine the human body, especially in the detection of breast cancer, chest cancer. So in this way, the different forms of cancers and the preventive you can say treatments are there. If you will visit to Google or the internet, my friend, you will see so many different types of cancer patients and their dangerous life. So such modern diagnostic and treatment of cancer, various techniques like CT scan, MRI, just now you have seen mammography, biopsy, are used to diagnose the cancer. And in case of treatment, along with conventional method, such type of methods are used, or even surgery is also done, but it depends on the types of cancer. So I hope you got the details about somehow the cancer according to textbook. It is a vast, how much we can speak, it is less, but according to textbook I am giving you the information. Now next, we will see, that is the page number 10 and 11. The another disease, that is the non-infectious disease, is diabetes. Now, diabetes, what it is? Immediately you will get in front of many times our grandparents or the elder ones, those who are facing the problem that they are not having the sugar in their regular diet. You remember the persons, those who are drinking the sugar free tea, sugar free टी दे आर ड्रिंकिंग, इट सेज कि हमें बिना चीनी वाली चाय चाहिए या बिना चीनी वाली चीज़ें. सो वॉट इट इज़ नथिंग बट द सिंपल डायबिटीज़. So what may be the possible reason for this? This is nothing but the simple, the problem which the person face through their body in the different way. So diabetes is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, that is sugar, is too high. And diabetes, the hormone, that is insulin, produced in pancreas, controls the level of sugar glucose in our blood. And if insulin is secreted in low quantity, the glucose level cannot be controlled. And this particular disorder of secretion of insulin is diabetes. And there are lots of, you can say, the problem, and most, you can say, the persons you will see in India facing this problem nowadays. This may be faced or seen in the children's also. Olden time it was observed in the elder ones or the older people, but nowadays children are also facing the problem. And India has largest number of diabetes patient in the world at present. Approximately, this book was published 2 years back, so 7 crore diabetes. So now 100% it increased. In this way, even you can use internet, my friend, and you can visit there and you can see lots of information you can collect on the diabetes. So then this diabetes, let's move towards the topic. So blood glucose is the main source of energy. We know that all the plants also, they prepare their own food, and this food is nothing but in the form of glucose. So our body, in that also the glucose is most important energy source, and it comes from the food whatever we are eating. So insulin, a hormone made by the pancreas, that helps glucose from food to get into our cells and to be used for energy. So there are different types of diabetes are there. That is the juvenile diabetes, when body fails to produce insulin only. Our body is unable to produce insulin, so person have to take artificial insulin daily to stay alive. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि कई लोग इंजेक्शंस लेते हैं खाने के पहले, खाने के बाद, या मंथली कंटिन्यूसली दे आर हैविंग द टैबलेट्स. सो दिस इज़ नथिंग बट द डायबिटीज़. जिनको डायबिटीज़ होता है उन्हें रेगुलर दवाई लेनी पड़ती है और उन्हें टाइम टू टाइम अपना फूड इनटेक रखना होता है. सो द बॉडी मेक्स, and the second part, that is the body makes insulin, but the way body uses it, where cells in the body do not respond only. कई बार इंसुलिन हमारे बॉडी बनाता है लेकिन सेल्स उसे रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करते. ये भी एक डायबिटीज़ है. Then gastrointestinal diabetes. Now in this gastrointestinal diabetes, in that specially women during pregnancy, when their body can become less sensitive to insulin, that time they are facing the problem of you can say diabetes. So in diabetes, the normal blood sugar level that goes, you can say down or you can say high, that is between 70 to 99 mg per dl is our normal blood sugar. 70 to 99 is the normal, but the diabetic person having the fasting blood sugar higher than 126 mg per dl, that is 126 is the range, and above 126 it is a diabetic patient. So the risk factor may increase, and it gives being the overweight, or maybe the factors of diabetes caused due to family history of diabetic person in the family, or having high cholesterol, or the history of high blood pressure in the family, having sedentary lifestyle, or being more than 45 age, the person may get affected with diabetes. And the symptom from that also, it shows the frequent urination, continuous at day and night there is a frequent urination in your body. So from that you have to take then preventions and precautions. So for that you have to eat a healthy diet, and you have to take a proper precaution. So for that, self monitoring can be the vital for moderating blood sugar. Many people, those who are having diabetes, they can self monitor themselves by a small unit we are getting. एक छोटा सा मशीन होता है पेन जैसे, उस पेन से हम अपने खुद के ग्लूकोज की जांच कर सकते हैं, और उस लेवल के हिसाब से हम अपना डाइट भी रख सकते हैं, या तो फिर इंजेक्शंस या तो दवाई ले सकते हैं। जिसे डायबिटीज़ होता है उसे ये यूनिट दिया जाता है। सो टू अवॉइड द हाई शुगर फूड्स दैट प्रोवाइड empty calories that do not have nutritional beneficial should be taken, and the low fats dairy, healthy fat source, or including whole grains, fruits, vegetables, you have to take in your diet. You have to avoid drinking excessive alcohol, and smoking is again rise to diabetes. So see, cancer, diabetes, all you can say diseases there, the reason is alcohol and smoking. Then why to eat gutka, mawa, or you can say alcohol and the smoking? Avoid it from your life. Daily 30-minute exercise you have to do, then proper medications you have to do, and self monitoring blood sugar test, in this way you have to do. So this is what the simple reason. Then there are maybe complications, you know that. So dental and gum diseases, you have to take continuous injections of insulin before and after having the food by your own, because daily twice thrice you can't go to doctor. So you have to, if there is a high insulin problem, then you have to take your own injections by your own shots, okay, by the own shots you have to take with your own hand. So in this way, there is a, maybe if you are not taking proper care, then you face the eye problems, hearing problem, dental and gums problems, or sight loss. Even there are foot problems or ulcers, or untreated you can say the injuries through that diabetes may increase, heart disease, stroke, nerve damage, kidney damage. देखो कितनी सारी चीज़ें होती है डायबिटीज़ की वजह से. So nowadays two types of diabetes increasingly common in children. So India has become the largest number of diabetic patient in the world. So we have to take care of us, and we have to avoid all such negative circumstances. So a healthy diet can help prevent, reverse, or manage diabetes. So in this way we can save ourselves. Now the next page, that is page number 11. On that, now we will see that how the particular diseases, non-infectious diseases, are our, you can say, life saving or the life taking things, how that we are going to see. So we know that internet, through internet you can get lots of information. In this session I can't give whole soul, how much necessary I am giving to you. So for more information you have to watch the various videos giving information about diabetes on the internet. This is your task. So the important information you have to note it down, or you have to make the presentation on it, and then we can move ahead. So our next topic, that is heart disease. Now heart is our life. If heart is only not there, what is the use of our life? हार्ट बन सब कुछ बन, तो दिल, दिल के सिवा कुछ नहीं। हमारे ज़िंदगी का पूरा दारोमदार दिल पर डिपेंड होता है। सो द इफ़िशियंसी ऑफ हार्ट डिक्रीजेज ड्यू टू डिक्रीज ब्लड सप्लाई एंड देयरफॉर ऑक्सीजन एंड न्यूट्रिशनल सप्लाई टू योर heart muscles, and due to this heart has to perform more work than leads to stress, and this may cause heart attack. So if someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary, and one should not ignore this all things. You have to take care of your heart, because heart is really important part of our life. A range of condition that affect your heart, or even you can say due to decreased blood supply oxygen, it may get affected. It involves narrow or block blood vessels that lead to heart attack. Our blood vessels are there. In that blood vessels, you will see that, see, in this blood vessels you will see it involves the narrow lines. Whatever the blood vessels are there, normally they are how the blood flows, but immediately if this become narrow, you are able to see in the second picture yellowish color part, or the fats or the lipids or cholesterol, because of junk foods or the high amount of oily food you are eating, it gets blocked or closed only, and through this the normal blood can't flow. And if blood is not flowing, surely it will get stuck over there and it will form a lump, and then you will face the heart problem. So for that you have to take precautions. So for this cause, smoking, again alcohol, obesity, hypertension, lack of physical exercise, hereditary problem, mental stress, anger, what diseases you can say are facing the same symptoms, are showing the same symptoms. And not only this, there are different types of heart diseases. Through this, the different body parts related to heart face the problem, and then it gives the heart attack, stroke or heart diseases. Here chest pain is there, chest tightness is there, pressure, shortness of breath. These are some symptoms. Or even pain, numbness, weakness or coldness in the legs and the arm, or one side you are get affected, pains in that particular, or cramps in one side, or pain in neck, jaw, throat, upper abdomen or back. Your heart may beat too quickly or it may beat slowly. दिल की धड़कन या तो तेज हो जाती है या तो स्लो हो जाती है. Dizziness, spell, so many reasons are there, and this different form of heart infection, fever, then shortness of breath, dry cough, ये सारी चीज़ें हार्ट ट्रीटमेंट में हार्ट को प्रॉब्लम देती है. इन दिस वे द हार्ट मे गेट प्रॉब्लम एंड हार्ट अटैक और हार्ट डिसीज you may face. So I think you got the clear idea how the nerves, through that the blood vessels are there, in that the nerves become narrow or blocked. So this is how you will see the detail about it, and through that there are various different treatments are there. Through this treatment you can see that the stent, it may be inserted at a time of ballooning to ensure the vessels. So angioplasty is one more process, in that the balloon force expansion of blood vessel is done, and through this small bluish color line, are you able to see, this is what how it enlarges that vessel, and after that because of blowing the force, the balloon force expansion of blood vessel is done. जैसे कि हम बलून में कैसे हवा भरने से बलून फूल जाता है, वैसे ही यहाँ पर स्टेन्स भी डाले जाते हैं, या तो अ स्मॉल यूनिट से यहाँ पर बलून फोर्स एक्सपांशन से इसे फुलाया जाता है, जिसकी वजह से गैप बढ़ जाता है और ब्लड आराम से फ्लो हो सकता है। उसी गैप में स्टेंट्स डाले जाते हैं, अ स्मॉल स्प्रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, एंड द ब्लड वेसल्स बिकम नॉर्मल। यू आर एबल टू सी दिस थ्री पिक्चर्स. A, they are inserting. B, the balloon force expansion of blood vessel is done, and in third, with the help of stent it may be inserted, and normally you can say it works. And this was introduced in 1964 first time. So in this way the different treatments are there. Then again there are various treatments like ECG, electrocardiogram, that records the electrical signals or the irregularities in our heart rhythm. हमारे दिल की धड़कन से वो इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम सिस्टम से चेक कर सकते हैं. अल्ट्रासाउंड से भी चेक करते हैं हमारे चेस्ट को, CT scan, or even the various heart problems with the help of MRI. In this way the different you can say forms are there. And there is one more thing, that is the installation of pacemaker. Are you able to see this artificial substance? इट इज़ नथिंग बट पेस मेकर. ये एक छोटा सा दिल की धड़कन के लिए पेस मेकर यूनिट है. इट इज़ एन इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज्ड मेडिकल device. If your heart is pumping too quickly or too slowly, then pacemaker is fitted in our heart. Are you able to see grey color part which is near the heart? Bluish color veins के वहाँ पर इसे लगाया जाता है. That controls the heart rhythm, the pumping of our heart, the rhythm of our heartbeat, and it also track and record the heartbeat, which is helpful for our heart. So in this way the preventions and precautions we are going to take, the technology has changed, and nowadays there are different types of treatments: bypass surgery, open heart surgery, installation of pacemaker, installation of stents, or transplantations are done. So for that, eat healthy diet, get regular exercise, and check your cholesterol all the time, control your blood pressure, stay healthy weight, limit alcohol, don't smoke, manage stress, try to manage yourself, be cool and calm, don't get anger, manage diabetes. In this way you will save your life. So this is how the different diseases and its symptoms, causes and treatment. These are very few. There are n number of diseases in the world, but from your academics class set we have studied few diseases. I hope you got the clear idea. So now moving to the last topic of our lesson, that is the medicines. Now here collect information. This is your duty. Have you ever seen your grandparents taking the decoctions? Discuss about with them. Collect information from your grandparents about the home remedies, that is few material which is present in our kitchen, in our garden, in our home, how they are helpful in our life. That is aloe vera, turmeric, ginger, garlic. This is your project. You have to search. Now internet, my friend. Again, internet is also one of the best friend. It will give you all detailed information. There are many, you can say, the different methods of treatment, like that is the Ayurveda. Really, Ayurveda, a gift of nature to humanity. This is the system of medicine with the historical root, with the help of, you can say, different food, plants, herbs, shrubs, with the Ayurvedic plants, medicinal plants from our country, India. India is the base of Ayurveda, and be proud to an Indian, and we are having such a Ayurvedic which doesn't give any side effect, and good and healthy life. So Ayurveda is there. Then you will see the homeopathy. Now in this homeopathy, it is created in 1969 by the Samuel. That is the homeopathic, you will see The Hahnemann, Samuel Hahnemann, the originator of homeopathy, he has first time given us the medicines of homeopathy or the therapy of homeopathy, which is highly diluted substance with the aim of, you can say, bringing use to reduce the damaging and the side effects of the heavy medical treatment. These are the small tablets and it is a sweet. It takes time but it gives its effect very nicely. Then there is another, that is Unani medicines. Unani made up of 7 components known as umure tabia. With the help of, according to Unani philosophy, the body is made up of 4 basic elements. We also going to say that it's Panchatattva. So our body is made up of 4 basic elements: earth, air, water and fire. Based on the same therapy, how our body line is divided, on that basis the phlegm, blood, yellow bile, black bile, in this particular medicine is designed. So there are different types of medicine in our surrounding. So with this also there is one more thing, that is the misuse of medicine. If you will see here, that is the misuse of medicine. All these medicines we are having, but the people are having again the negative, you can say, forms of medicine. They are taking by their own. They don't have even, you can say, the knowledge. Few are having knowledge, but with the help of half knowledge, if you are taking the medicine without any professional, it is a dangerous. So refer to the use of medicine for self medication or enhancement purpose without prescription is a dangerous thing. कई लोगों को दवाइयाँ अपने दिल से लेने की आदत होती है कि किसी ने कहा है कि ये दवाई लेने से पेट का दर्द चला जाएगा, किसी ने कहा है वो जड़ी बूटी खाने से सिर का दर्द चला जाएगा। ऐसे लोगों को हैबिट होती है और छोटे छोटे दर्द के लिए हम अपने दिल से मेडिकल से जाकर दवाई लाते हैं या घर में जो चीज़ें हैं उससे हम दवाई बनाकर पीते हैं, जबकि ये गलत है। स्पेशली विद द पुअर कम्युनिटी, to avoid high bills of the hospital. I know it is really economically we are facing problem, many are facing, but still you have to prescribe the medicine. You have to take prescribed medicine only with the help of professionals. इलिटरेट पीपल, जिन लोगों को ज्ञान नहीं होता, वो अपने दिल से दवाइयाँ ले लेते हैं बस पिक्चर में, टीवी में, या तो एक दूसरे से कहकर सुनकर. सो पीपल मेक मिसयूज एंड ओवरडोज ऑफ मेडिकेशन कैन कंट्रीब्यूट टू unhealthy life. 50% in our country, family are spending such type of medicines with one another's. Even you have to take the precautions. Ensure that take medicine with prescribed professional. Do not share your medicine with anyone. किसी के साथ अपनी दवाई शेयर भी नहीं करनी चाहिए, जिसकी वजह से कई बार होता है कि मेरे पेट में दर्द था, अरे कल आपके पेट में दर्द था, जो दवाई दी थी वो मुझे दो. नहीं, सबकी हेल्थ अलग होती है, सबकी बॉडी लाइन अलग होती है. सो किसी की दवाई किसी के दर्द वाली हमें नहीं लेनी चाहिए. डू नॉट टेक मोर दैन रिकमेंडेड डोसेज. ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा भी डोसेज नहीं लेने चाहिए. अगर डॉक्टर ने 4 दिन की दवाई दी है तो 4 दिन ही लेना है. अपने दिल से अगर दर्द कम नहीं होता है तो 5 दिन की और मेडिकल से जाके दवाई नहीं लेनी है. पहले डॉक्टर को बताना है और फिर आगे की दवाई कंटिन्यू करनी है. चेक मेडिसिन विद प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. हमेशा दवाइयाँ चेक करके लीजिए, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन और मेडिसिन के कंटेंट, उनकी पावर और उनकी कंपनी. एंड डू नॉट टेक मेडिसिन विद अल्कोहल. कभी भी टबैको, अल्कोहल, गुटखा, मावा जो खाते हैं उन पर दवाई असर नहीं करती है, निगेटिव इफ़ेक्ट देती है. इसीलिए अल्कोहल के साथ कभी भी दवाई ना ले. डू नॉट बाय मेडिसिन फ्रॉम अनऑथराइज्ड सोर्सेस. बिना जान पहचान के किसी से भी दवाई नहीं खरीदनी है. ऑथराइज्ड दुकानों से ही लेना है. और इसी ऑथराइज्ड दुकानों के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने एक नया स्कीम निकाला है. दैट यू नो वेरी वेल, दीज ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ मेडिसिन नाउ वी आर गेटिंग इन अ डिफरेंट फॉर्म, दैट इज़ द जेनेरिक medicine. Yes, now here you will see the generic medicines are known as general medicines. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. Now, patent, what is this patent? So, the generic medicines, that is the pharmaceutical drugs that contain the same chemical substance as drug but was originally protected by chemical patent, यानी गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटी से दी गई दवाई. गवर्नमेंट इट गिव्स owner a legal right to exclude others from making, यानी गवर्नमेंट ने एक रूल बनाया है जो पेटेंट होता है, जो कोई और उसे कॉपी नहीं कर सकता, कोई और उसे नहीं बना सकता. उसी देश का कानून उसे चलाता है और वो दूसरे किसी को बाय करने से, सेल करने से या बनाने से रोकता है. जिस देश ने, जिस गवर्नमेंट ने इसे केमिकली प्रूव किया है लीगली, वही बन जाता है पेटेंट. सो केमिकल पेटेंट जो दवाइयाँ मिलती है, दैट जेनरिक ड्रग्स आर allowed for sale after the patent on the original drugs till it expires. And there are, you will see the brand name and the generic name. So in that there is no much differences is there, only in brand name, because of the branded company and their lifestyle we have to pay more amount. But in generic it is a simple, so it is a low level budget वाला होता है जो आसानी से मिल जाता है, देश की उपज होती है, इसीलिए उसे कम कॉस्ट में बनाया जाता है, लेकिन उसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स में कोई फ़र्क नहीं होता. हियर द कवर्ड इफ़ नो जेनरिक फ्रॉम एग्जिस्ट, एंड हियर नॉर्मली ऑलवेज कवर्ड. Now here tested and approved by FDA, and here it may differ but proven by the acceptable companies, the FDA. There is no any difference in the strength and doses. So in this way you will see the generic and the you will say branded medicine. So a generic drug has same active pharmaceutical ingredients as original but may differ in some characteristics such as preparing. दोनों के ingredient content फ़र्क नहीं होता, सिर्फ हो सकता है तरीका अलग हो, बनाने का तरीका, पैकेजिंग करने का तरीका, स्टोरिंग का तरीका या तो फॉर्मुलेशन का तरीका. टेस्ट कलर में फ़र्क हो सकता है, कंपनी में फ़र्क हो सकता है, लेकिन स्ट्रेंथ, डोज में कोई फ़र्क नहीं होता. इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशन इन द country. So you will see how generic and branded, they are safe equally, effective equally, and high quality equally. In this way we are getting with the help of government approved. So in our India you see that government has approved such quality of medicine at low price, and the name is given Jana Aushadhi. And such type of Jana Aushadhi medical stores are there in our nation, which we are getting such type of generic medicines in the low cost and good quality. So it is related to government regulation in the country. On 24th September 1984, the United States Congress was passed this manufacturing first time, and then in India 2008 government of India started new concept, that is Jana Aushadhi, means medicine for people, and it is really a great achievement. So all the poor people can also buy such medicines and treat themselves. So always buy the medicine from our nation's approved store, that is the Jana Aushadhi medical store. In this way we can help our nation, we can help our country. हम अपने देश को इस तरह से आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. जो भी यूज़ करना है स्वदेशी यूज़ कीजिए. सबसे पहला प्रेफरेंस अपने देश को दीजिए और अपनी देश की चीज़ों को दीजिए. ऑलवेज बिकम अ स्वदेशी, isn't it? And your lifestyle also related to that only, because the Indians are always on the top. Our lifestyle is really a good. So the lifestyle also matters. The lifestyle, it is related to the disease. There is a combination because it includes the daily routine and type of the food whatever we are eating. Habits like saying in bed till the late morning, going to bed late night, frequent changes in the meal, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, you can say, or continuous having the hotelings and hotel foods, outside foods which is not ever fresh, maybe it is preserved one, having increased, you can say, the frequency in the alcohol and the continuous use of excessive alcohol and smoking, continuous night parties, less amount of sleep you are getting, exertions, and nowadays the lifestyle is busy with the phone and mobile. So if the frequency of becoming sick to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasanas, pranayam, and physical exercise. Because nowadays you will see how the people are busy with the modern lifestyle, continuous income, money, friends, you can say, continuous earning, mobile chatting, you, all these things are not at all good. You should get break from all this. And the different types of foods you are having nowadays, ready made instant food, really it is not good. Sometimes it's okay, but the healthy food, balanced diet from your home. So you will see that the different types of yogasanas, or you can pranayam, physical exercise, or you should take a proper food, right food, sufficient sleep. Pranayam, yogasan should be performed under the expert supervision only. See the videos of pranayam and yogasanas and all this. Along with that, you should have a proper healthy diet. In this way you will get a proper healthy life. Vaccinations must be done whenever the vaccination comes. So the important to prevent the infectious disease, collect the vaccination schedules chart from the clinic and always give a proper vaccination. In this way you will get your life healthy. And there are different types of awareness program our nation is celebrating with the help of World Health Day, World Heart Day, World Blood Donation Day, World Diabetes Day. In this way awareness program government is doing. Indian companies export generic medicine on large scale, however such type of facilities we are getting, so we should keep our life healthy. To keep our life healthy, it is everything in our hand. So maintaining a healthy lifestyle is a healthy life. I hope today's last session of lesson number 2, health and disease, may help you to give the healthy life. So if you like this, please visit my channel Tasneem's Vidyan Shastra and like there, subscribe it, so you will get more videos related to topic. Till then, thank you. Jai Hind.